Ah, so bored. Hey, put the comment down there what could I do in the holidays because I have nothing to do during holidays. I'm so bored. I can't answer from tomorrow. I'm not going to come to the office, but I can make my phone because I'm going to mom's place. My mom, I want mine. I'm going to my grandma's house. So big, my son, and I have nothing to do. No computer, or for just a present TV, a got homework to do for tuition. Dude, what is tuition? Can you believe it? Oh my stupid making me down. Holiday, tuition. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go to Singapore after Christmas. And when it's after Christmas, when I'm in Singapore, I'm gonna make videos. And then with my mom's iPad. I'm gonna send YouTube. I'm gonna be showing you where I'm going actually because my mom don't know use the phone. Well then in the car, everything. Hasta la vista. Write in the comments below. Tell me what you do during the holiday. Please, look at my head. Subscribe, please. Comments below. Tell me what you do during the holiday. Nothing, man.